Hello, fifth graders. Moving on to day 2. Our learning target for today is I can read, review, and practice noun suffixes. All right, and so we're in my word study book 2. All right, and our focus is on page 5. So go ahead and open up your book to page 5. All right, so today we're going to underline a few noun suffixes. We're going to be looking for shun, shun, ness, and meant. Right, so those suffixes we're looking for, so we're going to underline those. And in a minute here, I'll show you the list and we can find the first couple together. And then we're going to pronounce each word with someone. Practice reading the words on your own. All right, sorry about that. We're going to practice reading words on our own. Okay, and then when you're ready, you're going to have someone time you for 1 minute. All right, so I'm going to flip into our benchmark book. Okay, hopefully you have the paper book in front of you. All right, but our list of words, okay, we have right here. And remember, our first job will be to look at the suffixes. So this first one, shun, you notice the word election or infection. Okay, so there's 2 right there. Then we have T, and notice difficulty, honesty, and then there's another way to write shun. So if you look at confusion or tension, you can see that suffix being used. And then the next one is ness. Okay, so blindness. Okay, has the suffix ness. See if you can find another one to circle. And then the last one is meant. Okay, so look for at least 2 with that suffix as well. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and read through these words one time. Right? If you are confident in reading these words and would like to turn off the video, feel free to do that. If you'd like to read along with me, you know, it's always good to hear the words read one time, then stay on. I'm going to start with election. I'm going to go down, okay, and finish all the words above the gray line, and then we'll move below the gray line. Okay, so the first one is election, safety, discussion, illness, agreement, eruption, oddity, profession, dizziness, punishment, infection, activity, tension, blindness, payment, action, property, depression, messiness, statement, instruction, difficulty, confusion, weirdness, argument, collection, security, admission, saltiness, equipment, reflection, honesty, expression, craziness, settlement, selection, captivity, division, emptiness, government, invention, ability, impression, laziness, attachment, direction, certainty, invasion, awareness, development. All right. And I'm going to do the same thing below the gray line. We have subtraction, specialty, oppression, friendliness, assessment, affection, tranquility, recession, recklessness, arrangement, extinction, reality, procession, politeness, replacement, production, popularity, compression, effortlessness, astonishment, construction, immunity, obsession, attractiveness, amusement, eviction, capacity, apprehension, forgetfulness, entertainment, protection, curiosity, possession, powerlessness, employment, digestion, anxiety, comprehension, preparedness, accomplishment, destruction, diversity, confession, restlessness, nourishment, interruption, responsibility, permission, skillfulness, and disappointment. All right, fifth graders, go ahead and practice reading through this list a couple of times and then have one other person time you at least once and seeing how many words you can read within 1 minute.